Alright, today we're gonna make Danish and cinnamon roll. We're gonna use flour, sugar, shortening, salt, vanilla, eggs, yeast, milk, and egg powder and water. And this is all the dry ingredients together. And this is the eggs, 112 eggs. Mixing time now. Turn the machine on and gradually add in my liquid. I gradually add in the liquid to make up my Danish dough. And the dough is mixing. And the dough is mixing. See? Nice. Alright, this is a Danish dough. I fold it up 3 times with margarine inside, fold it and roll it. So I'm gonna rest it now for at least another half an hour and then roll and fold again 3 times.